Hello, in this jQuery video, I am going to show you how to detect a single mouse click on any element on your page. I've got three div elements right here. They don't have to be divs. They could be anything you want. You can use any type of selector you want. I'm just going to keep things simple. So to detect the click, you obviously select your element or elements. I'm going to say div, so this selects all divs. I'm going to do dot click. So this is a single click. Put open bracket, the keyword function, and this function is run when this is clicked. If I were to reload and click it, nothing actually happened because, well, nothing's occurring in the function. If I were to do a console.log and say div is clicked, or I say a div is clicked, and I reload, and I click it, a div is clicked on any of them. If I were to, let's say, add a p tag now, and I'll say epic paragraph, and now if, let's say, I do it based on an ID, again, whatever selector, doesn't really matter. I'm going to say epic ID, and now all I have to do is do something very similar, but instead of div, I'll put hash epic ID, and I'll say, but actually for this one, I'm going to do an alert. So alert, and I'm going to say epic ID alert. Save that, reload, just to confirm the others are still working as intended. If I click this one, it pops this up. It doesn't do a console log because this function, which is called, is a separate piece of code to this. This little event here you can use in conjunction with the binding and unbinding video. Feel free to check that out as well. And that's it. It's really simple to do a single mouse click. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message, and as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.